When life hands you clams, you make smoked bacon clam chowder. Fresh out of the bay and into the pot, let's get it going. So we made our own house smoked bacon. We did a video in the past. My neighbor dropped off some freshly harvested clams from the Great South Bay, so it's time to make some clam chowder. Start by browning up your bacon, and this is the secret. You got to get that bacon super, super crispy. And then once you get it to a nice crisp point, that's when you add your vegetables. You'll stop the color, you won't burn your bacon, but you'll get all the flavor. The recipe is down in the comments section. We made our own stock using the juice from the steamed clams. Throw in some potatoes towards the end. Season it up how you like. It's a cold, raw, windy, chilly day, and the clam chowder just hit the spot. Save a little bit of the crisp bacon to use as a garnish for later. Always season up with a little Crystal hot sauce and some Worcestershire sauce. It's going to bring all the fans to the table. Everybody's going to want to get a bowl of this. This is smoked bacon clam chowder. Like I said, making our own house-cured bacon was an absolute game changer. I've used it in so many dishes, and this clam chowder with freshly shucked clams straight from the bay, you can't beat it, especially on a cold winter day. Yeah, I know you want some.